Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and for Star Wars Day, we're gonna make these hanging Sabacc dice from Solo that you can hang on your rearview mirror in your car or ship. Welcome to Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
All Beans Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug for you, Dan. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. It is May 4th, National Star Wars Day. Can't let National Star Wars Day go by without doing a Star Wars themed project. 24 days, the new Solo movie comes out, which means we need to make a Solo related project. What cooler way to do a Solo project than make the Sabacc dice that dangle from the Millennium Falcon. They're featured heavily in The Last Jedi, as I'm gonna use wood to make the Sabacc dice, and not just any kind of wood. Chinar wood, or chinar wood. Probably not. Chinar wood actually comes from Alderaan. How did I get wood from Alderaan if Alderaan was blown up by the Death Star, you're asking? Well, thanks to seed storage, the rich and wealthy were able to get a hold of the chinar seeds for the trees. They have chinar wood, and it's really only obtainable by the rich and wealthy, but scoundrels know how to get a hold of it. Looks an awful lot like cherry. So if I'm gonna make dice out of this cherry-looking piece of space wood, you know, I guess in the galaxy far, far away, they also do the standard 3/4 inch for lumber. I'm gonna set my fence to 3/4 inch. Now we gotta draw a pattern on the dice. I have a reference for this. Here's where the fun begins. Ooh, so dremeling. Not a lot of fun. I got both of them kind of chamfered each corner and kind of rounded over the edges, and that's what I'm gonna do for this one. Before I complete the project, I'm just gonna go over the dice with spray lacquer. So right here, I'm just working on putting a little eye hole screw on the corner of a dice. Just kind of stabbing in that awl to get a hole started. Jennifer was also gracious enough to give me this little length of chain, which I'm going to use so I can hang it up in my car, but I believe it's too long, so... And I'm going to attach those. This is a car that made the run to the hardware store in less than 12 parsecs. Sabacc dice can now go up here as well. I'm really eager to see how that chinar wood is going to age, since it's going to be in direct exposure to the sunlight, if it'll darken up or look weird. Or anyways, happy Star Wars Day. If you enjoyed this project, please give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe to the channel too, I post new woodworking videos every single Friday. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next week.